is for egg. E is for elbow. E is for elephant. E is for elf. E is for emperor. E is for empty. You know some E words now. Let's make the letter E sound. Your turn. E.
Hello everyone. It's me again and I'm here with your 5th lesson. If you have not seen the previous lessons, then click on the subscribe button and watch all the lessons there. Let's get started. This is a lowercase e. This is an uppercase e. Now it's time for phonics. E sounds a. Very good. Now let's do vocabulary. E for eggs, eggs, eggs. What are these? These are eggs. E for elephant, elephant, elephant. What is this? This is an elephant. E for emperor, emperor, emperor. What is this? This is an emperor. E for eyes, eyes, eyes. What are these? These are eyes. Yay! We are done with yet another lesson. Stay tuned for lesson 6 coming this Sunday and click subscribe for much more.